I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this freebie and discount birthday haul. So first off is this. This little donut. This donut was for free. So here it is. Birthday gift free, so it's on the app. Up next is the Costa. Up next is this Costa coffee cake. So this is what it looks like over here. So for hotel chocolate got a £5 off. So I think this ends up being £1 something. So £5 off. I think this was £1 or £2. So it ended up just being £1 or £2 costing. So I decided to, so it picks this liqueur collection #1 and then this tiddly pot. I think this was originally £4.50 and then I think this was £2, so about so it's about £1.50. Up next is Hobbycraft. So I managed to get £5 for the birthday voucher, and then there was also a £5 free for the craft month. So this was originally £1.65, this was originally £7, and this was originally £4. So this was a separate purchase for £7, £1.65, £4 and £7. So this was in a separate purchase with the £5 birthday. With the £5 birthday voucher, this ended up being £2, and then these two together with the £5 craft month, it ended up being 65p. Managed to get these free nachos by downloading the Subway app, and then I just added the steak on top for £1, I think 20 or £1.40. I also managed to get this cup of meatballs for free by using an invite code while downloading the app. So once I redeemed the free nachos / purchase. So once I redeemed the free nachos / purchase with the additional steak, I was able to get 200 points bonus and then get this these meatballs. Put the bonus 200 point invite code in the description box so you can try it out as well. Unfortunately this year Pay Purchase didn't have a £5 birthday voucher because they're going administration, but they did go to 50% off. So these both were 50% off. But these are 50% off. So this was originally £6.50 down to £3.25. So it's little cat badges. And little cat, sexy cat buttholes. Little cats showing its behind, little heart behind. This was originally £2 and this ended up being £1. Next up is Body Shop. So for Body Shop I got a £5 birthday voucher thing. So originally per soap was £4. So for the original price was £4, £8, £12, but for the 3 for 2 offer that became £8, but then with my £5 gift voucher, take that off, so it only cost me £3. A free donut from Krispy Kreme, slightly crushed in the bag, but it's still edible. It's a fudge donut. I managed to get this 50% off on this bubble TCT taro and tapioca, so 50% off. From Tortilla I managed to get this rice bowl for free from the app with a free this rice bowl is so this rice bowl is tomato rice with beef, guacamole, sweet corn, a lime and chorizo. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And please do comment below your experience with birthday freebies and what's your favourite birthday freebie that you've received before, or if you'll try out any of these. Thank you for watching.